Okay, so to check out a sale without using your payment terminal, you're going to click on the appointment. You're going to select checkout. Now at this point, I don't actually have my machine connected, but if I were to go hit charge, the card reader would be here where it says card reader not connected. They're going to either enter cash or track external payments, and then they would just enter in the payment. They could enter in the tip before they got to this point as well. Click save, and boom, they've closed out the sale. It hasn't gone to the payment terminal, but it is tracked. Just keep in mind when you look at your total sales, it's going to include their sales as well. So you'll need to run sales reports for individual service providers. Okay, there you go.